Steve from Bow, New Hampshire writes, I found great success cleaning my speaker cable ends and binding posts with DeOxit, which resulted in a huge positive difference in sound, gaining upper range extension and making instruments sound more solid. Can you clarify the common practice of cleaning these connections? What is the technical reason for this dramatic improvement? Well, I probably can't answer that in the way that you would like, with some kind of scientific explanation. But let me share with you some observations that I've made. I write a daily blog post called Paul's Post, and I've done that for, 10 years. Every spring and every fall, basically twice a year, I try and recommend and remind people to redo their systems, to disconnect everything, clean it up, reconnect it. And it isn't the same, but think of this. How much better does your car run when you wash it? Mine, it smiles a little. It's just nicer to drive after it's clean. And a dirty car doesn't drive so well. Now, that's goofy, since obviously nothing in the car is actually changing. In this case, when you unhook everything, clean up around there, and then rehook it back up, you're doing the same thing. You're deoxidizing by the pulling out. Like, take a cable. As you pull it in, pull it out, it gets rid of oxidation just by that mere act of pulling it in, pulling it out. Adding detox to it, I've tried that before, and I don't really find it to be a huge difference, more of a placebo, but I could have missed it. I find that just simply plugging and unplugging, unplugging and plugging back in has a huge benefit, and that's why I encourage people to do it every spring and every fall. Just take your system apart, hook it back up, reconnect it, because that takes the oxidation off. And oxidation definitely can change the way it sounds. Why does that happen? Oh, I don't know. I've heard all kinds, the diode effect, I'm not sure I buy any of it, but it sounds good. I can tell you, it definitely sounds different if you do that and do it religiously every couple of months. You will benefit from that. So give it a try. All right, thanks.